Oh, I love this. Okay, all I want to do is say this. This is freaking cool. Are you kidding me? What kind of a sorcery is this? Amazon delivered again a new LED light set for my bedroom this time. I already put one around my house and I really liked it, so I was looking for a different one for my bedroom, and this is made by a company called EPABINA. So what do you get? This is a 21 meter or 50 feet LED light, and basically what you get in the box is power adapter, the controller, which is quite cool because it has this smiley face on it, longer cords than usual. So this is longer cords and different connections over here at this end than the usual ones that we are used to. And the remote, it's a lot cooler than the other products that I had before. It has other features, it seems like. Obviously you get a manual, like it, share it, and this is the unit itself and some adhesive tape. So let's test it out. What I usually like to do is when I get these, I like to test out right out of the box, even if I'm planning to using them later on, because I want to make sure they work. Turns on. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, pretty straightforward. Red, green, blue, awesome. White, I like that. And it has music mode. So there's a little microphone over here that actually reads the music in the room. We're gonna plug it in my bedroom and see how it works from there. And for those interested, I'm gonna show you how much wattage it uses. So each color uses different kind of wattage. Right now it's pulling 20 watts. Let's see, red. So red, it's pulling 13 watts because it's just one part of the LED that's lit up. So only one part of the LED is lit up. The same thing with the green. Actually, green uses even less. Blue uses even less. But white uses the most because basically how this works is they have multiple LEDs inside and they all lit up to create a white color. And here's the lights in my bedroom. So I got them around the bed and around my computer table. And I always wanted to have this effect, you know, the slats on the bed to go like that. And I could obviously change the colors, red. And then obviously I could do white. So I could do white also. Oh, it's just pretty cool. I'm just curious to see how it works with the music. So we're gonna put it in music mode. I put it in music mode. And then now the microphone picks up my voice and just goes crazy. This is insane. Oh, I love this. Wow. Hey Mel, come check this out. This is so cool. Are you kidding me? Oh, I love this.